Ebusuya, enti Ghanaian-Japan sa no tie. Wow, masuro Ghanaian-Japan papa. Me na minim say Ghanaian-Japan say no nam a o ka say oba obebie factories ama Ghana fo enya bia ye Ghana first na then let's prioritize Ghana and all those stuffs. Them say Ghanaian-Japan there. Ghana then akoma so sin obia o. Not knowing say Ghanaian-Japan or joining a personal interest one say on mind Ghana otimu. Hey, me simba be video bia to na boy utie mu nsem na wo yembe show. I never thought say Ghanaian-Japan na minim na betime ya sa de no. It after say me share sa video ni tie mu nsem no. Me hu adwire me say Ghanaian-Japan of all people la or kase or no the Ghana then akoma so Ghana first. You want everyone to be patriotic then not knowing say na ni nyina no e frakadam e ya run na Ghanaian-Japan hey this man, I'm very disappointed in you, Nobu Ghanaian-Japan. I'm very disappointed in you. And you have been exposed this time. You have been exposed. Ebusuya, share you yanko video nimbra.
Kubango. We bet me ayo Ghana. We esichiro. You bet me ne free da ben. And Nobu Ghanaian-Japan who say. Sane me bet me ayo ha. You see, one of the reasons why in Tia and Crawford say Honorable Ghanaian-Japan are falling out with Dr. Bawumia Nitimani say, yeah, be Ghana card no. No wakwa kofa Indian for aba say yefa Ghana card contract na Emma womunye. There was a Ghanaian owned company. I have friend say margin group. Na margin groups no ana margin group no omo expertise no e was so crossing the Indian company. But Honorable Ghanaian-Japan was insisting say yefa Ghana card contract no Emma na for India. And because of such a contract in Wenyanti, you who kwa odi ura atefa efaso e wo man FM ni na tuti.
In fact, obaye no that is a meeting no. Na institutional representation.
Yes.
Na institutional representation no. Na Kufuado enya appointee head of institutional heads. Eti wo mo a eba sa meeting ni bi no. Omo nyina yi wo mo na Jomahama na appointee wo mo. Yes. Eti Honorable Ghanaian-Japan ko ye na ohun se omyandisi fo no ne buafu na wo so Kadatem and Dr. Bawumia and Mr. Debbie say wo be attack the dia and there should be the president because one you move through one jam people need to me ma
abusia enti no kra na ye ka kire wo say and now Honorable Ghanaian-Japan nam kita we ye coconut sugar e be try no Ghana
na me ka say one product
how dey me ba we ye coconut sugar we be try no Ghana we ye corn oil e be try no Ghana Pacho, Honorable Ghanaian-Japan, Okasa wo kan, Professor say, me say, I'm putting it on record, say, Abria MPP are buying by power. Na ye be Ghana card no. Honorable Ghanaian-Japan, Ecofa the partners Indian for the mobile say, Yanfa contract no Emma Indian for enye.
Abana margin.
Abria na Ghana company, your friend margin group. I have been to their company. I have been there. Me who am expertise. A world class company. Na I say ye me fam Ghanaian owned company no. Ye fam the foreign company, ye Indian company. Na Kufuado aban say there be Ghana card near the baby bia or Ghana. Ye de be banking transaction, ye de be voters ID card, ye de be say be say yentimi fast as data no enfa ma hwohwo so bi betimi na Ghana ha ona kan je pum muri na tikokum wasi na tikapai
that is the beginning of the end
odi kan atefa and Bawumia faso and no the men ne or contest president because odi Dr. Bawumia ho ya say what Dr. Bawumia pene me yan fa contract no amani India for but na de wa basa afa de we e kon oye betman no Ghana we e coconut sugar betman no Ghana we e ntene bottle betman no Ghana abria na wotumi na aban no wo kasa na aban no ho wo so no na wo di aban no munuma e da ma ho
1D1F
1.2 billion.
Yeah, that's right.
1.2 billion.
A balling again.
1.2 billion. Hey. 1.2 Ghana is
But
1.2 billion.
Are we looking at efficiency, competence, and
rubbish?
With this
the word is rubbish.
Modern technology.
Modern technology. You are talking to a population of 30 million.
No, all your there.
1.2 billion. Now who see will be at the 1.2 billion Eco Bank of Ghana? Who can want them into the other 4 million here? Now a do MPP swap so now 1.2 billion. When I'm not a kind, also better the food. This man is now saying, say, and you sabotage. When he met and confirmed was late, building no more, because do one this for one apart from one chance. Or see me ma for India for benti. And I may say woman. Me na na kind. Also but you play the fool.
More yeah bidding.
Yeah, yes. I brought Indians. Me a businessman.
No one want Jahi. So that we advocate for it.
And you're very cheap. They were not even asking for $50 million.
Why?
So why are you telling me 1.2 billion? Are you mad? Are you mad?
Assemble baby.
1.2 billion? Ghana here? NDC
$50 million.
Yes, I'm catching.
As against 1.2 billion.
Are you out of your mind?
Why?
Are you out of your mind? What do you mean?
But probably $50 million was not going to do
the efficiency. Memma company, no, a renowned company in the world. There are 2 companies in India with a population of 1.2 billion. The northern sector and the southern sector. For the southern sector for 600 million people. Can you compare that to 30 million for you to tell me they are not competent? Then they were willing to take 50 million and you 1.2 billion. Are you out of your mind?
Quiet.
I serve my country. I don't serve any political party. Case closed. I serve Ghana. I don't serve any political party. For you to come and tell us 1.2 billion. 1.2 billion for what? Maybe for 200 Ghana cities. Who do a pedam on that? 200 Ghana cities. Any aton body. Are you crazy? Move go Ghana. Move go forward. Please.
You could have even used
electoral commission for one I'm a businessman, so I know when you call the price. Say 1.2 billion. A poor country like Ghana. $1.2 billion. And you see this? Are you mad?
Nigeria football 1 year them.
Please.
Alata.
And this is for Gambaka. What MPP is doing? When the man comes out to say, what 1.2 billion? In how many years? 15. Now such a system this year with the software and hardware in here, what else do you need? It will cost you 1.2 billion. Sakwe mi kan hwase. O man assassin tin wo de man. Margins re man assassin. Yes, me say margins on my Professor Tifa assassin.
No.
I challenge him.
No.
Me fear was yes. Me don't get wrong. Me say what I do to announce, I'll do to anybody. It's Ghana first. And I'm serving my country. I'm not serving any political party in this country. $1.2 billion? Are we crazy in this country? Now what the hell? That very day. What happened yesterday? The guy should have been sacked. Please.
Charlie, multimedia for 1 year t-shirt, man. Ghana first. That is how we can conscientize Ghanaians. The nationalism.
$1.2 billion.
Ghana first.
Kennedy Japan sorry I will say yeah money may president adentia or no be factories ama Ghana for ni adwuma ye oba make sure say Ghana first oba prioritize Ghana first but do you know say during time we Ghana card no Kennedy Japan for Indian company e buy say Indian company no and embra yes embra be Ghana card wa bra na wo Ghana company a obetimi aye and I'm so man on a Professor Tefa. No monka. I'm Kennedy Japan. This so-called Kennedy Japan, no, or Soria, or see Ghana first. Nanso, a true Ghana card, no. He didn't think of Ghana first. He was thinking about his pockets and his business partners first. Yes. And that's the way I'm telling you that Kennedy Japan, no, he cannot be trusted. He cannot be trusted. You trust Kennedy Japan at your own risk. You trust him at your own risk. Don't trust Kennedy Japan because they meant to trust Kennedy Japan. I said they do sir. Kennedy Japan. I'm not here. He is someone you can never trust. He is not fit. He is not competent. He is indecisive and he always lie. O can't trust him be a Kennedy Japan. O ni who on to me be a factory be a man in Juma. Apart from San Kuko factory na why no. I also thought Okofo was the biggest coal store in Africa no. Busan say the other factories now working. Have you ever seen people working there? The people working there, do you know them? They will go to one factory, be there, and they will go and work there and they'll be like, when the company need be. What's the name of those companies? What are the name of those companies? What are the names? You see, let's be serious and be honest for once. Say, Kennedy Agyapong is just playing with people's mindsets.